All right, it's Maria and Jason, Ruby and Coco, and we are headed to the car wash. I'm going to show you that's where we're going right now. The dogs have never been through the car wash, so we're going to see how they like it. First I have to enter my code. I'm doing a $6 car wash. Okay, what's the code? 20. Is that it? 995? 95. That's it? 20495? All right. So the dogs have never been through. The dogs have never been through. Let's see what it's like.
Well, you gotta pull forward.
I'm gonna.
Well, sometimes the light's still green. Ah, there's a noise. Did you hear it? Did you hear it, Ruby?
Let's see what the dogs think. Jason's trying to help them stay calm.
Who is it? Who is it? What's going on? Dog napper? Dog napper?
Ruby, what's happening? Coco, what's going on?
Dog napper? Ah.
They're not too sure that they like it yet.
Ah, dog napper.
But I, as always, love it. Here comes the next part.
Whoa, dog napper. What's that? Look right there.
Are you bored? It was perked up when it stopped. Oh, is it going to be peaceful now? Let's see.
Oh.
Jason, you're really helping. What's going to happen now?
Let's roll down the window.
Yeah, let's do that quickly. Blowing us dry, dogs. They're so much calmer than I thought they were going to be. Good girls.
What do you think they're gonna do? You yell at them if they make any noise in the car.
It's blowing on the windshield.
Not even getting all the leaves out.
Wow. Well, the dogs were a lot calmer than I expected. This is Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. I want to pray blessings on you and yours in your house. Mona Lisa there is talking. Out of your house and in the day and the night. Whatever you do, keep dreaming. You want to go for a ride?